Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can run ads on your Squarespace site, so let's get right into it. Now, you might have a couple of different options which you can use for showing ads on your site. There is a lot of options available depending on what your wishes are. However, in my case, I will be using Google AdSense. Now, to set up Google AdSense ads on your Squarespace site, go into Pages and select the page that you want to show ads on. I'll just go into the work page. This is pretty much the main page, and we're going to go here and we're going to click on Edit. From Edit, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a new section. I'm just going to add a blank section just to, well, make it like so. I'll make it a bit smaller so that it doesn't take up a lot of space. And now we're going to add a block. Now the block we're going to be adding is the embed block. Just add it here, select the space that you want it to take up. I'll just make it as narrow as possible. And now we have our embed block. Click the Edit button, click on Code Snippet and Embed Data, and now we have that open. Now we're going to go over into Google AdSense. From here, you're going to click on Ads, and then you're going to set up your ads. Now, what you can do here, you can set up by site, by ad unit, or by global settings. We're going to go into Ad Unit, and we're going to click on Display Ads. Here you can select the template that you want. This is the square template available. You can use horizontal if you want to, or you can set up vertical. I like the horizontal one, so I'm going to be using that. And once you have that, you need to add the unit name. I'll just name it Test 4. Ad size is either responsive or fixed. I'll add responsive, and then you can click Create. From here, you get your embed code. You just want to click Copy over here under the HTML code. You can also use AMP code. However, I like the HTML version, and that's the only one that I know works with Squarespace. It might not be true. However, that's the one I'm sure it works. You just click Copy here. You can click Done. Then go back into Squarespace, paste the code over here, and now we have our data or ad data over here. And as you can see, you need to preview it in safe mode because scripts don't work while you're editing the site. Click Save, and then we can go on and exit, and it should show ads right over here. Now it's not showing anything right now because the site isn't live, and I most likely didn't set up my ads all the way through. However, that is pretty much all you need to do to actually set up your ads for your site. Now, if you publish your site and everything is set up properly, the ads will run, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.